V7 is one of the most celebrated and well-known Moto Guzzi models. This world fame is due to its ability to remain faithful to the expectations and reputation of a legendary brand like Moto Guzzi. Since 1967, the year the first units were sold in Italy, the V7 became a pillar of the product range and the representative of the Italian motorcycle par excellence, standing out for its content and design, highly popular with a truly transversal and varied public. With a major step up in performance, this new generation Street Triple RS has a significantly updated 765cc triple engine developed by Triumph's Moto2 engine team that delivers track-ready levels of power and torque. The Street Triple has always set the benchmark in its category with a revolutionary, game-changing ride. Now, the new RS raises the bar all over again. Born in the desert, ready for anywhere. It's time to soar. To be truly free and feel your tires bite into dirt, seeking the grip and escape you need. The motorcycle beneath you is a tool, your tool. And you ride together as one. This is Africa Twin. Forged through the furnace of countless kilometers. For the ride of a lifetime. Kawasaki's legacy of creating motorcycles that have unrivaled performance, excitement, and Sugoi styling continues with the flagship model of the Kawasaki Z line of naked motorcycles, the all-new 2020 Z-H2 supercharged Hyper-Naked. With the arrival of the Hyper-Naked Z-H2 and its powerful, balanced supercharged engine, the second chapter of Z history is about to begin and marks the beginning of a new era. To mark Triumph's 2019 return to racing's top tier as the exclusive engine supplier to the FIM Moto 2 World Championship, we are excited to introduce the Daytona Moto 2 765 limited edition motorcycle. Built around the Daytona's world-famous championship-winning chassis, this is the ultimate edition of Triumph's racing legend, with the highest ever specification and a new Moto 2-derived triple-cylinder engine that delivers the highest ever power and torque, tailored for the road as well as track days.
America's mountain has a way of keeping your eye. And the Streetfighter's personality is aggressive. It's a thoroughbred, and we're just learning how to tame that.
The Panigale V4, stripped of its fairings and with high, wide handlebars. This, in short, is the underlying concept of the new Streetfighter V4, a bike that magnifies the thrill of the ride every time it takes to the road. An unrivaled naked bristling with cutting-edge technology and an awe-inspiring design that oozes pure performance. This is the genesis of an all-new generation of Triumph's ultimate motorbike legend. Equipped with the world's largest production motorcycle engine capacity of 2,500 cc, the new Rocket 3 lineup delivers the highest torque of any production motorbike and unparalleled acceleration, with a beautifully smooth, responsive and incredibly refined ride. The new Rocket 3 motorcycle range is in a class of its own, with truly imposing muscular presence and magnificent style. Combining the highest level of specification and technology with all of Triumph's incredible handling, the Rocket 3 brings a sublime feel and comfort for all-day easy riding. For 2020, the R1M features a new cable-less ride-by-wire Yamaha chip-controlled throttle system that transforms the rider's inputs into motion, with a full suite of IMU-powered electronic rider aids that bring new meaning to the term rider confidence. The R1M utilizes track-focused braking hardware, featuring potent 4-piston radial-mounted front calipers, stainless steel front lines, big 320mm rotors with new high-friction pads, and an all-new compact ABS unit. New Bridgestone RS11 tires ensure true racetrack-ready traction, with balanced road feel and handling. A sleek fairing, slammed saddlebags, and a gunfighter-style rogue seat deliver a streamlined, commanding presence. The largest, fastest, most customizable system on 2 wheels, it features turn-by-turn navigation with intuitive destination search capabilities, Bluetooth connectivity, vehicle information, plus connected traffic and weather overlays to keep you on the road longer. LED lighting from nose to tail and a lowered stance complete the custom-inspired look. The very first Brutail changed the definition of the naked sports bike forever. Today, the Brutail 1000 Serie Oro brings a long pathway of development full circle, whilst marking the beginning of a new concept focused on the pursuit of the ultimate performance.